Welcome viewers. Today in this video I will tell you about the props. So React components are controlled by either props or state. I will tell you about the state in the next video. So props are very much similar to the HTML attributes. Like for the image tag we are having src, height, width. These all are attributes. In React, properties of parents component are transferred to the child component as a props. Props are immutable. It means we cannot modify or change it. Props are unidirectional. Let me show you. Let's see this diagram. Component A is parent component for this component B, and component B is parent component for this component C. Props data can be transferred only from top to bottom, or we can say from parent to child. Let me show you a parent-child example using props. I'll open my Visual Studio Code. I'll make a new component, Control N, then Control Shift S. Let's make this file as parent-child.js. Hit save. Now import React from React. Then make a class. Let's say class name can be parent, which extends react.component. Now render method. Inside this render method, I am assigning div, and then I'm calling my child component. So let's make this child component here after this class. So class child that extends this react dot component, and then now make render method for the child component. So, and then inside this you can have our return. So in the return I want to print whatever the props in the parent component. I will print it. So let me make a div here, and then inside the h3 tag I want to print the message, like message can be this dot props. So for printing a message, I can make a message in the parent component. So why it is giving warning? Oh, I'm not using return yet. So return, and then open close braces and hit Control X, and then Control C. Yeah. So for the passing the message in the parent component to the child component, what I will do inside the here I am assigning a message. Let's say message equal to uh, this is message for child. This is some message for child, and now in the child component, let's say this dot props dot message. So hit Control S. Now import this parent child in the app.js and call it here. So in the app.js, uh, let's copy this file, parent, Control C, and then export default. I have forgotten to do export default control V with control S in the app.js to import control V from dot backslash parent child and call this here. So parent control S. Now open your command prompt, window plus R, and type cmd and then hit enter and go to your directory. So I'll go to my directory where I have saved this application and then cd test and then cd my app and do npm start. Now it is coming up. Here we got the output. So I can do one more thing here in the parent child example. In the parent child component, what I will do, inside the render method, I can make a variable, let's say var, or instead of using this var, we can use const. So const name equal to, let's say Bob. So I have created a variable Bob and then I will copy this child tag, control C and then control V. So in the place of this message, now our message can be this Bob. And then how I am selecting this name here, see, I'll simply in the curly braces I'll put the variable name and do control S, and now this message will be passed as a props to the child component and then see the output. See, this Bob name is coming under the, this is some message for the child, for child relation. So this is how props can be passed from parent component to the child component. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.